Oh my God, that is divine. The flavors has gone in so well, and I'm sure you're gonna surprise all your guests. I've got a beautiful Australian leg of lamb here, and I'm going to show you how to elevate your dinner using Sashi's secret rendang paste. Apply the rendang paste generously. If you're like someone like me who prefers an extra spice or chili, then you can add the extra spice pack I've given. There's some nice kaffir lime and small dried chilies. As for the coconut cream and the desiccated coconut, you can use it for a nice coconut rice. You can allow this to marinate for 4 to 6 hours or even overnight. If you don't have the time, you can straight put in the oven at 180 degrees. Okay, now is the moment of truth. That looks cooked perfectly. And that's how you make your rendang leg of lamb.